Imagine you're a captain of a ship, sailing through a vast ocean of tasks. Without a compass or a map, you'd be lost, adrift, and unable to reach your destination. That's how many people feel about their daily work. Overwhelmed, disorganized, and unsure of where to start. Thankfully, there's a tool that can help you navigate those choppy waters. Asana. But why do people use Asana? What sets it apart from other project management tools? Section 1. Organization and collaboration. Asana is like a digital workspace, a place where you can organize your tasks, projects, and teams. Here's how it helps. Task management. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Assign due dates, prioritize, and track progress. Project management. Create projects, add team members, and set deadlines. Asana's timeline view gives you a clear overview of your project's progress. Team collaboration. Collaborate with colleagues in real time. Assign tasks, comment, and discuss ideas directly within the platform. Section 2. Productivity and efficiency. Asana isn't just about organization. It's also about boosting productivity and efficiency. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks with rules and workflows. For example, you can automatically assign tasks based on certain criteria. Time tracking. Track how much time you spend on specific tasks. This helps you identify time wasters and optimize your workflow. Reporting. Generate reports to analyze your team's productivity and identify areas for improvement. Section 3. Flexibility and customization. One of the reasons Asana is so popular is its flexibility. You can customize it to fit your specific needs. Custom fields. Create custom fields to track additional information about your tasks, such as project status, budget, or priority. Integrations. Connect Asana to other tools you use, like Google Calendar, Slack, or Dropbox. Templates. Use pre-built templates to quickly set up projects for common scenarios like marketing campaigns or product launches. Section 4. User-friendly interface. Asana is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Intuitive design. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and find what you need. Mobile app. Access Asana on the go with the mobile app. Stay updated on your tasks and projects, even when you're away from your desk. Section 5. Real-world examples. Let's hear from some real people who use Asana and how it's transformed their work. Interview 1. A small business owner who uses Asana to manage their team and projects. Interview 2. A student who uses Asana to stay organized and manage their coursework. Interview 3. A freelancer who uses Asana to collaborate with clients and manage their workload. So why do people use Asana? The answer is simple. It helps them stay organized, collaborate effectively, and be more productive. Whether you're a solopreneur, a team leader, or a student, Asana can be a valuable tool for managing your work and achieving your goals. Ready to give Asana a try? Sign up for a free account today and see how it can transform your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.